Prince Harry's battle with tabloid misconduct is a complex and significant story that illustrates the conflict between personal boundaries and public interest. The royal family has been the subject of scrutiny from the media for a considerable amount of time, but the case against the Mirror Group extends beyond simple attention involving hacking into people's phones and secret tactics used by members of the press to eavesdrop on private voicemails and conversations. The prince's unwavering defense of his right to a private life has raised issues regarding the role of the media in harassing public individuals and the boundaries of what constitutes the public interest. Not only is Harry the source of the conflict, but it is also representative of greater discontent within the royal family. As a result, issues have been raised regarding the role of the media in harassing public individuals and the boundaries of what constitutes the public interest. The settlement reached between Prince Harry and the Mirror Group is not only the final chapter in the collection of court documents, but also a thundering statement to the Fourth Estate and a moment that will establish a precedent for media practices all over the United States and the world. The prince's legal triumph, which may be quantified as damages totaling more than $140,000, along with an interim payment of $400,000 and the promise of reimbursement for legal fees, is more than just monetary compensation. It is a confession of wrongdoing and a catalyst for change. The court brought to light the illegitimacy of a number of items that it recognized as being the result of illicit information collection. This reaffirmation of the vital requirement of lawful journalism establishes a benchmark for media outlets and lays the way for a revolutionary discourse on ethics within business. The question is, what does this imply for the daily procedures carried out within newsrooms and the tabloid industry moving forward? It is a symbol of the beginning of a heightened vigilance against dishonest reporting methods and a stern warning that the law will not turn a blind eye to privacy violations that are carried out under the pretext of journalism. Considering Harry's statements, in which he urged the authorities to preserve the rule of law, and his dedication to encouraging good change, it is possible that this settlement will usher in a new era in which the sanctity of the private will be protected and ethical practices will be ingrained in the standard operating procedure of journalistic conduct. One must wonder whether this is a defining moment for the royal family, indicating a line of demarcation between them and the media, or whether it is a sign of evolution toward a more guarded but courteous coexistence with the media. Not only does the settlement represent a personal win, but it also signals his reputation as an unintentional advocate for systemic reform. The quest of the prince is representative of a larger societal need for more severe respect for the rule of law and a re-evaluation of the ethics of the media. Harry's focus on the relevance of the royal family's image highlights a crucial truth. The firm cannot be separated from the individuals within it, who are entitled to the same rights against exploitation as any other citizen. Prince Harry's court victory has led to a call for stricter monitoring of media outlets, emphasizing the importance of holding the press accountable for its actions. Harry's advocacy for legal compliance and ethical reform calls for the industry to adhere to fundamental principles such as honesty, privacy protection, and law-abiding behavior. This case may impact future representations of the royal family and the media's approach to preventing history from repeating itself. The settlement highlights the delicate balance between individual rights and press freedom, a delicate equilibrium that the community must manage and appreciate. The future of privacy rights and media ethics is uncertain, but Harry's triumph serves as a testament to his bravery and devotion to principle. His triumph not only establishes a precedent, but also sparks a discussion about press freedom, ethical journalism, and privacy rights. The future of privacy rights and media ethics is uncertain, But it is a credit to the prince's courage and devotion to principle. The story of Prince Harry will likely be discussed for years to come as an example of a royal struggle for dignity in the face of overwhelming challenges. The pillars of privacy and media ethics should remain unshaken despite adversities, whether they are of royal proportions or in the lives of regular individuals. This case may inspire introspection and action to ensure these pillars